doing?
Oh no.
Stop. You get that on film? Alright, so today we're going to change the tire and fix the flat. Here we go. Oh, turn it around. Yeah, undo these things. Take this one off all the way.
Dr. Matt, how would you fix a flat?
Very carefully. Alright, so get 2 flathead screwdrivers. You gotta be careful because you don't want to put another hole in the tube. So look, you have to come over here. You have to get the tire. There you go. You got it. And put the other one down there so you can get the tire. Put it up. Alright, so you got the tire off there, but you got to keep working your way around it. poor Cookie Monster on the ground. Oh, what did I do to you? It's Christmas. Okay. Merry Christmas to you. Then you can, once you get it going, you can just kind of pull the tire off the rim. You don't need to pull the whole thing off, just one side. Here we go. So, I bought a little air compressor for my car, just in case I ever got a flat tire on my car. I didn't have one, so I went and bought one. We leave in the car. And Allison suggested that we use this new one. So that's what we're gonna do. Okay. So, very simple. Just find your power outlet. We have one on the back of the car too. There's one, usually one in the front as well. Alright, plug it in. Well, let's see, here's our tube. So this is our flat tube. Alright, let me turn it on. Alright, so usually there's no dirt in here, but so now you put your tube in the bucket and you just turn it, thank you Peter, just turn it around until you see a hole. Oh, you see the bubbles? There we go, we got one hole. Let's see if we see any more. Oh, we got one. Oh, got another one. Oh, that's by the stem. I don't think this is repairable here. We could try to repair it.
We'll just say you had a patch one.
Yes. Okay. You ready? This is some glue on it. Some glue on it.
Are you supposed to put it on your hat?
Yeah, it doesn't matter. It's rubber cement.
Just rubber cement, you know.
I think you let it dry for a little bit, I think is what you're supposed to do. Had to get that off. There's a little plastic on top. There we go. Ooh, we'll remove the backing. And then, remember where it is. And push down. Now we got another one. This one's going to be a little tricky because it's near the stem. But we're going to try it. go. Careful, careful with Peter. Watch. Remember to watch your kids while you're doing this. Because
If you don't, there'll be trouble.
there'll be trouble. Good job, Peter. And Peter. Any stickers in there, you'll feel them. You'll feel them with your hand, don't worry. Just to, usually that's why they go flat, because a sticker gets in there and punctures it. But usually the sticker's still in there.
Yeah, even after you take it out.
Yeah, so you gotta make sure there's nothing in there that's gonna puncture the tube again. All right, let's put a little bit more air in our tube.
Oh!
You got it? There it goes. Okay, now it's in. Let's go air it up again. So before you put it on, you can air it up all the way now. So I'm gonna take it back to the car and air it up. Good?
Yeah.
And that's how you fix a flat tire on a bike. I can do it, you can do it. So let's do it together.